I walk into a coffee shop. I walk into a coffee shop. The shop smells like coffee. The shop smells like coffee. The place looks cozy. The place looks cozy. I stand in line. I stand in line. The barista smiles. The barista smiles. It is my turn to order. It is my turn to order. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. I would like a coffee. I would like a coffee. I want a latte. I want a latte. The barista asks my name. The barista asks my name. My name is Alex. My name is Alex. The barista writes my name. The barista writes my name. What size would you like? What size would you like? I want a medium size. I want a medium size. Do you want sugar? Do you want sugar? Yes, please add sugar. Yes, please add sugar. Do you want milk? Do you want milk? Yes, a little milk, please. Yes, a little milk, please. Your total is $5. Your total is $5. I pay at the counter. I pay at the counter. I use my card. I use my card. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please wait for your order. Please wait for your order. I wait near the counter. I wait near the counter. People are chatting. People are chatting. Some people are working. Some people are working. A soft song is playing. A soft song is playing. The coffee machine is loud. The coffee machine is loud. The barista prepares my drink. The barista prepares my drink. The smell is amazing. The smell is amazing. Alex, your order is ready. Alex, your order is ready. I take my coffee. I take my coffee. Thank you for the drink. Thank you for the drink. I find a table. I find a table. I sit down quietly. I sit down quietly. I hold the warm cup. I hold the warm cup. The coffee smells great. The coffee smells great. I take a small sip. I take a small sip. The coffee tastes good. The coffee tastes good. I feel relaxed. I feel relaxed. I open my laptop. I open my laptop. Some people read books. Some people read books. A friend enters the shop. A friend enters the shop. My friend waves at me. My friend waves at me. We greet each other. We greet each other. My friend orders coffee. My friend orders coffee. My friend sits with me. My friend sits with me. We start talking. We start talking. We talk about our day. We talk about our day. The conversation is friendly. The conversation is friendly. We laugh together. We laugh together. The coffee shop feels warm. The coffee shop feels warm. Time passes quickly. Time passes quickly. I finish my coffee. I finish my coffee. My friend finishes too. My friend finishes too. We clean the table. We clean the table. I throw away the cup. I throw away the cup. We stand up slowly. We stand up slowly. The barista smiles again. The barista smiles again. We say goodbye. We say goodbye. Thank you for the coffee. Thank you for the coffee. Have a great day. Have a great day. The coffee shop is nice. The coffee shop is nice. I enjoy this place. I enjoy this place. Coffee shops are relaxing. Coffee shops are relaxing. People meet here often. People meet here often. Friends share good moments. Friends share good moments. Coffee brings people together. Coffee brings people together. Simple moments feel special. Simple moments feel special. I like quiet places. I like quiet places. English helps conversations. English helps conversations. Speaking English is useful. Speaking English is useful. I practice English daily. I practice English daily. Repeating helps memory. Repeating helps memory. Practice builds confidence. Practice builds confidence. My English improves slowly. My English improves slowly. Learning English is fun. Learning English is fun. I enjoy speaking English. I enjoy speaking English. Small practice helps a lot. Small practice helps a lot. Listening improves pronunciation. Listening improves pronunciation. I repeat every sentence. I repeat every sentence. Daily practice helps learning. Daily practice helps learning. Confidence grows every day. Confidence grows every day. Speaking becomes easier. Speaking becomes easier. I stay motivated. I stay motivated. English connects people. English connects people. Communication becomes natural. Communication becomes natural. I enjoy learning new words. I enjoy learning new words. Practice brings progress. Practice brings progress. Learning takes patience. Learning takes patience. Thank you for practicing today. Thank you for practicing today. Keep repeating the sentences. Keep repeating the sentences. Practice every day. Practice every day. Your English will improve. Your English will improve. Stay confident and positive. Stay confident and positive. Learning English is a journey. Learning English is a journey. Every step matters. Every step matters. Keep moving forward. Keep moving forward. See you in the next episode. See you in the next episode. Keep learning English daily. Keep learning English daily.